Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Happy New Year, everybody. Today is January 5th, 2015. One stock that I'll be looking at today is Home Depot. One thing you're going to see today on the chart is that the stock is trading decently lower, trading down about $1.38 at the moment. That's about a 1.3% decline. So either way you slice it or dice it, Home Depot definitely one of the weaker names out here today. But one level I'll be watching today is going to be right around this 60-minute chart, 200 period moving average. Now, I don't know if the stock is going to trade down there, but it's a stock to keep on your radar. If it does trade there, that should be a very, very good bounce level. Now, first off the bat, if you take a look at the 200 moving average, you're also going to notice that you have a little gap here. You also have some prior pivots. That's where institutions came in and supported the stock, and I think they'll do it again. There also are some other factors here. If you've taken the In the Money Stocks methodology webinar, you probably also see there right around that 200 period moving average. So that would be the bounce area right now. That's $100.40. Watch and see if the stock trades down there today. That's where traders could probably look for a 20-25 cent bounce conservatively, and you probably just use a 25 to 30 cent stop loss on the trade. But again, that 200 period moving average should be a decent level for an intraday bounce once it is hit. The only way you would not want this trade is if price had come down into the level and consolidated above it for a couple of hours. If that were to happen, then you would leave the 200 period moving average on the hourly chart alone. But as long as price comes right into that level, that should be a very, very good support level to keep on the radar. I think that will give us some type of intraday scalp bounce to the tune of 25 to 30 cents. So keep that on the level, keep that on the radar and see if that happens. If it does, there will be a play there. If it doesn't, then we just leave it alone and we don't do anything with it. But that's how you isolate very good trading opportunities throughout the trading day. So that's my pick for today. If it gets down there, $100.40, might even be $100.43. That could be also a good level, give or take a couple of pennies. But that's the level I would be looking at, right at that 200 period moving average. That's what you want to trade. That's going to be a good spot. Now, one other trade that I did this morning was JP Morgan, and I'm going to just show you that chart. And what you're going to see here was almost the same type of pattern. If I zoom in a little bit, you're going to see JPM came right into that 60-minute 200 period moving average, and it wasn't a big trade by any means, but I got in at 61.34, got out at 61.54, and you could see that just gave you a nice 20-cent bounce right off that 60-minute moving average. And I think we're going to see a very, very similar type play right in Home Depot if it gets down to that $100.40 level. So again, you look for that quick bounce. That's what you want to do as a day trader, as a scalper. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.